So there's a GE dryer, garbage electronics. There's a model. It makes a squeaky noise when it dries. So if you have a GE dryer, a couple other brands use the same system. They use this roller, shows the belt tensioner. It makes a crazy squeaking sound. You can see right now it's not even spinning. Pretty much the reason is they use the cheap sleeve bearing instead of normal bearing inside. There's the part number for the new one. And this is the new one. You can see there is now a bearing and it spins freely. Replacement is not too hard for DIY. We'll go over it in. Unfortunately, the cost from the store for this thing is ridiculous. You can see how much we paid, and I think it's a little too much for a piece of plastic. It was bad design. So get access to the back of your dryer. You need to remove this cover. It's just a couple of Phillips screws, nothing fancy. The arm sits here. You just remove the tension from the belt and the spring. You disconnect the spring, remove the screw, and remove the tensioner. Check that your belt is not broken. Make sure to use the new included screw, as the head here is different. Alright, get the screwdriver. Alright, once you get it tight, don't get it super tight, I guess. Now you gotta connect the spring. And that's it. Now you try to tension the belt on the dryer. And that should be it. And just spin the front of the dryer just to make sure it's all good and the belt is spinning well. Okay, now that's all you're done. Turn on your dryer, make sure you're all clear. You can double check everything is working good. You just fixed your evil machine. Now your evil machine is fixed. You can congratulate yourself and buy beer. Put the cover back on and call it a day.